Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great today. I have a video that is a collaboration with Jubtic. They reached out to me on my email and wanted to send me a new address book or a product of my choice for me to try, for me to say what I thought about it. So here I am. This is the product that I chose, and I like the cover. That's why I chose it, to be honest with you. This is going to be a review slash unboxing. I literally just opened this up. I will be leaving all the information, their socials, and also where you can get this beauty right here. It's on Amazon, very affordable. So let's dig right in. Alright, so right off the bat, I really love the double loops, the twin loops, double loops. And honestly, I chose an address book because I have tons of planners and I never keep track of my address book. I don't have contact numbers saved on a notebook or anything like that, and I thought it would be really cool and different to try out. So let's dig right in. So once you open it, you have this page in the front that you can put your name, your phone number, your email, and in here you have the emergency information so you can fill up addresses. To be honest with you, my plan with this is I do not want it to leave home. I just want to keep it here to have you know, my contact numbers, their addresses, their emails, and even if I have a little space to put their birthday, it will be amazing. So in here we have addresses, you know, the name, address, mobile number. This is very nice, you guys. So we have, this is going to be really simple, but wow, I feel like everyone needs this, to be honest with you. So here we have A and B, and I think it's the same concept all the way to the end. Yep, it is. I love it. I really love it. We have yep, oh okay, so we have the name, number, addresses, all of that, mobile number, emails, all the way through Z, of course. And once you come to the end pages, you have important passwords. So in here you can also keep track of your websites, their username, and the password. I don't know about you, but I forget every single password. I cannot even remember my Amazon password right now. Every time that I log in, I have to I have to reset the password. So this is amazing, honestly. I do see that the pages here are a little bit okay. They're fine. They're just probably new. And okay, so you have a few pages to keep track of the websites that you have. With the passwords, you got a little hint. You could put a little hint for yourself to remember. That is awesome, you guys. I didn't know I had this bonus in the back, honestly. Oh, okay. So I was telling you guys about the birthdays. I actually don't have to put them in here because there are a few pages also for the birthdays from January all the way through December. And you also get a few note pages. How pretty is that? So back here you have a little pocket in case you want to keep like business cards or anything like that. Okay, so they have the little thank you card, and it has an elastic, which, come on, I absolutely love this. I really like this. I know I'm gonna use this 100%. So I'm gonna leave the information on the description in case you want to go ahead and check it out. It's very affordable, and I love the idea of having this. I love it. I love it. I don't know if any of you keep an address book at home. Comment down below and tell me if you have one. Now I will have mine. Thank you all for watching this video. I will talk to you all soon on my next one. Bye.